As the question says, figure shows a light rod of length L rigidly attached to a small heavy block at one end and a hook at the other end. The system is released from rest with the rod in a horizontal position. There is a fixed smooth ring at a depth h below the initial position of the hook, and the hook gets into the ring as it reaches there. What should be the minimum value of h so that the block moves in a complete circle about the ring? Now what's happening is they have dropped this system from height h, and there they have kept a ring. When it falls down, this hook gets into the ring, and now they're asking us the minimum height for which this block will complete its vertical circle about this ring as the center. Now what you will be doing here is, you will be finding the minimum velocity at this point which will be required to complete the circle. That is, you will be employing the conditions like this should be able to cross this highest position, right? And you will be taking the velocity as 0 from there. And as we have done in the previous problems, you will be simply working what is the minimum velocity required. And you can simply get that if we take this highest point to be A, then the velocity at A, the minimum one you will be taking, and so you will be getting the V minimum equal to under root 2 GL, right? Now, when it will be falling down, then this should have the minimum velocity of under root 2 GL in order to complete the circle. And this potential energy that it had earlier will be converted to the kinetic energy here of this block. So let us equate both of these energies by the energy conservation, that is mgh equal to half mv square at that point. Now v should be the minimum, that is this one. Putting the value of v from this, we get mgh equal to half m into 2 GL, and from this we get h equal to L. Now why we took h minimum, v minimum? Because you can see from this relation that h decreases as v decreases. So for v minimum, the h will be minimum, right? So we found out the v minimum, and hence we got the h minimum.